Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create the preloader animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition 1920 by 1080 resolution from 24 frames per second, duration is 10 seconds, and hit OK. Now grab the ellipse tool and make a circle. Now duplicate the ellipse 4 times. And select ellipse 1 and 4 and make a group. And the remaining 2 and 3 ellipses by selecting to create another group. Now open group 1 and go to transform group 1. Apply the keyframes on the scale and position property. Now go to 20 frames forward and decrease the scale 75% and change the position to the right side. Now select the transform group 2 and apply the keyframes on scale and position and go to 20 frames forward, and change the scale value to 75% and position of the ellipse to the left side. Check the preview. Now select ellipse 2, open the transform ellipse 2 and apply the keyframes on the scale. Go to 20 frames forward, change the scale value up to 75. Now again go to ellipse 3, open the transform ellipse 3 and apply the keyframes on the scale. And also change the position of ellipse 2, move it to the left. Now go to the transform ellipse 1, open it, apply the keyframes on the scale and go to 20 frames forward and change the value. Now go back to the 1 second mark. Select ellipse 4 and apply the keyframes on the scale and position. Now go to 20 frames forward again and change the scale value and also change the position of the ellipse 4 to the right. Now go to few frames forward and apply the keyframes on all the ellipse. Do not change the position of the ellipse for few moments. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now go to 20 frames forward again and copy the first keyframes of the ellipse and paste it on the timeline. Now copy all the first keyframes of scale and position and paste it on the 20 frames forward. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Check the preview. Now copy all the keyframes of the transform group 1 and group 2. And paste it on the timeline. Now right-click on the keyframes of the transform group 1 and 2 and go to Keyframe Assistant and select the time reverse keyframe. It makes the animation reverse. Check the preview. Adjust the keyframes on the timeline to make animation speed better. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. To make the animation smooth, Check the preview. For making depth in animation, select the layer and search for the Gaussian blur. Change the blurriness amount up to 90. And also apply level effect on it. And change the channel option from RGB to alpha. And move the slider to get the results. It will give the liquid look in the animation at the time of ellipse separation. Now check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, shares it and subscribe to my channel.